Jari, Vanakkam, Namaste. Today I'm going to talk about the transit of Jupiter in Cancer. And you might be aware that every planet goes from one Rasi to another Rasi. And each planet has its own duration of how long does it take to go from one Rasi to another Rasi. At present, Jupiter is in Gemini and it is going to go to Cancer, the next Rasi in the month of June. After June 1st, 2026, Jupiter is going to go to Cancer. And Cancer is the one Rasi where Jupiter is exalted. It gives the best of its result when Jupiter is in Cancer. It is going to be it is going to go in a Rasi where Jupiter is very much comfortable. So when we have to analyze, what kind of impact it is going to give it to us, we'll see it from two angles. One is either you are having a moon sign or whether you are having as a lagna. So if Jupiter is going to be in Cancer, who all are going to get benefited? I'm going to share it with you. The first beneficial, lagna or the Rasi is going to be what you call it as Pisceans. Because for Pisceans, Jupiter in Cancer is going to be in the fifth house. If it is Pisces as a lagna or Pisces as a, as a Rasi, it is going to be in the fifth house. So when Jupiter is going to be in fifth house, what Jupiter is going to give a blessing is those who are looking for fertility treatment. It is a very good time. Those who are looking for childbirth, it is definitely going to have a blessings. And anything which is related to any creativity, because fifth house indicates about the creativity, teaching, and this kind of a field, you will be able to put more effort in that. And the next Rasi or the Lagna from which Jupiter is going to be in the seventh house is also going to get benefited. So the seventh house is going to be, Jupiter is going to be in seventh house only if we count from what you call it as Capricorn. So Capricorn Rasi or otherwise Capricorn Lagna, they are also going to get a very good benefit when Jupiter is going to be in the Cancer. How it is going to get benefited is seventh house indicates about the marriage, the partnership. So when Jupiter is going to give a blessings in the marriage or partnership house in seventh, so the person who are having their plan for getting married, it is going to be a very good time to think of getting married. Jupiter's blessings will be there. Provided some other natal charts combination is also required. However, general prediction, it is definitely going to give a good blessings because it is going to be in the seventh house. Second thing is any kind of a business prospects they want to go for expansion or that is also going to be fruitful. And another one is the spouse, those who are already married, relationship with your spouse is also going to be better because Jupiter is going to give blessings when Jupiter is in seventh. And the next Rasi or Lagna is Scorpio. The Scorpio, if moon is in Scorpio or your first house is Scorpio, definitely Jupiter transit in Cancer is also going to benefit you. Because when Jupiter is sitting in that, it is going to be in the ninth house. So when it is in a ninth house indicates about the luck, your dharma. So ninth house luck or dharma, it will favor means you whatever you do, you will be you will find that you are having little luck being favored what you do it. And also you can think of a higher studies education which will be more fruitful, and you will be able to get blessings from the higher ups, from the higher up people and all. And the next Rasi is going to be Virgo. So whoever is having a Virgo Rasi or Virgo Lagna, they are also going to get benefited when Jupiter transits in Cancer. Because from the Virgo, if you count it, Jupiter transits in Cancer is going to be in the 11th house. 11th house is considered as a house of, gain. So it is going to be like a prosperity is going to increase. So whatever you do a hard work, it is you are going to get results out of it, and you will be able to scale up also, and your network, because 11th house also indicates about the relationship with your friends and relatives. So your networking is going to be benefiting for you in terms of increasing your wealth. So those who are in the influencer, they are also going to get more influence. They are going to be able to do more business in this. So scaling up of business also is going to be possible when Jupiter is in Cancer, especially for the Virgo Lagna or Virgo Rasi. That's all I wanted to share with you all. And definitely in the near future, I'm going to share with you about when Jupiter is transiting in Cancer, how it is going to affect in the rest of the other planets. Thank you. Happy learning. See you in my next video.